Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today we're going to be refreshing the house with some spring decorating and organizing. I've been collecting some home essentials, some new decor pieces, some things that I want to swap out, and some organization that I definitely need to put into place. So we're going to be doing all of that today. I hope this video gives you some ideas on how you can refresh your home this season as well. If you enjoy watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to Skims for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to start by adding florals. Now, I'm going to be honest, I am a huge fan of faux florals because if I love the look of a piece like this and want to implement it into my design, I want it to last long term. So I am a huge fan of finding realistic, good quality faux florals. And I found these ones at Home Goods the other day. They actually came in a pack of 2. So I think they came with 2 stems each like this. I got 2 of them to bundle together for a really frothy, fluffy look. I thought these would be the perfect stems to replace my greenery over there. I always go pretty seasonal with the stems over there. I usually take clippings from the backyard when I can, but everything is dead right now, so I can't do that. So I want to really make this a little bit more dramatic, speak to spring a bit more, and swap this stem out for some nice faux florals. I love the height that these add, and you can just kind of bend them and make them look a little bit more realistic so that they're not too straight, but that instantly adds life to the space. My secret to decorating with flowers is not really mixing flowers in one space. I like to have one highlight piece like that and then one greenery piece. I feel like they don't compete as much when you do it like that, and it just creates a less busy look. So this greenery complements the florals, and I feel like that's the way to do it. So if you're decorating in one single space, just pick one accent floral piece, and I feel like it will really help tie your space together. Now in my entryway here, I usually like to have some kind of seasonal stem. So this is another great styling opportunity for florals. I feel like right when you walk into your house, it's nice to kind of feel the season inside as well. So right now we still have these kind of burgundy magnolia leaves that feel very fall to me. Now I want to bring in a little bit more of a blossom. So these are perfect because they still have the buds. They're not fully blossomed. They're a bit twiggy. They're super pretty. I think I picked these up at World Market a few years ago, but I know they're very popular. Maybe they're still available. I'll have them linked if I can as well. But these are great in a large vase. I just kind of bend the ends to make sure that they fit in the vase properly. But this gives a lot of height and a lot of movement to the entryway. There, we just light that candle as well. This is coconut citrus amber, so it's fresh, it's bright, but it's also really warm. Perfect for spring. So that's really all you need to do to your entryway. Just add a nice fresh spring scent, add some blossoming florals in, and it feels like spring. Now I've also made some additions to my office. That mirror that we thrifted the other day, that large gold one, I actually ended up using it in my office. It was supposed to go in our entryway here, but it wasn't quite the right size, but it fit perfectly in my office. So come see where it is. It ended up fitting perfectly on this side wall here, so it helps reflect all of the window light, and it completely brightened up my office. It just opens everything up. When I'm sitting at my desk there, I can see the windows, and it just feels like the right finishing touch. I don't know if I'm gonna hang it yet. It's just on the floor right now, but it's tall enough to just work like that. And it gives me a nice little outfit opportunity. I don't really have a full-length mirror upstairs yet, so this works out for me to like come downstairs, see what my outfit's looking like, and move on with the day. But this is actually my new Skims shirt. This is the cotton jersey long sleeve t-shirt, and this is like the perfect shirt. It comes in so many different colors. This is the kyanite color. I love the way it looks with blue jeans because it's just like a stony, neutral blue gray. It's so, so pretty. I'm always looking for really good quality basics, like things that I can keep in my closet, layer with, wear all the time. And this cotton jersey long sleeve tee is such a good basic. There's so many different companies that kind of like sell similar items, but Skims has the best quality and like the best cut. I love the length of this because it doesn't go too long. So if you want to wear it tucked in, you're not like bunching up your pants, and it just hits at the right spot. And I like that the sleeves are kind of longer. This is actually what I did with my wedding dress. I did like longer sleeves because it just elongates your body. It's so flattering. I love like a monochromatic look like this. That's why I wanted to get the kyanite color, because it just looks so nice with blue jeans. Even if you're wearing darker ones, it's just like such a monochromatic look. I kind of need this in every single color because it's just that go-to piece. So if you guys are looking for good quality staple pieces for your wardrobe that are stretchy, comfortable, chic, come in really pretty color palettes, you definitely need to check out Skims. They have the best items. So click the link down below in my description box to shop Skims t-shirt shop, available in sizes extra small to 4X at skims.com and Skims stores. And if you haven't yet, be sure to let them know I sent you. So after you place your order, select YouTube in the survey and then select My Show under the drop-down menu that follows. Now, a good tip for faux florals is putting your faux florals in water. It's such a simple thing that goes a really long way. These are actually fake tulips from Amazon. I can't even believe it. The texture, the color, everything about them looks very realistic. They're not thin like paper, they're kind of rubbery and thick, so they have this movement and weight to them that just feels super realistic. I actually got them in another color as well. I got this kind of deep purple that I thought would look very nice in our guest bedroom, just to add some life and a fresh touch in there and make it look like spring. So we'll add these upstairs. These are in the color cream, and then these ones here are the color plum if you're looking for something similar. But I like that they come in a pack of 28 because that's a whole lot of tulips that you get. You can split up the packs and put individual tulips or smaller bundles together around your home. I'm thinking to put these in the family room just to add a bright touch to our coffee table. My coffee table is the perfect spot for something like this, especially because they're not too high. So that medium height still allows you to sit on the couch and see past the florals. I also don't know if I showed you guys this here on YouTube, but we replaced our Christmas tree corner for the coziest swivel chair. This ottoman came with it, and it actually has storage. So I love that that's a perfect little hiding spot for clutter, but this has become the coziest little corner. I love that it's right by the window. It's really bright. It feels cozy by the fireplace. So this has been the perfect little addition to this space. I feel like it really helps it come together. We also are not quite done decorating this room yet. I feel like I just put this together using all of the items that I already had and decorated the shelves and put curtains up and used all my existing furniture. But I think one day we'll do a dramatic paint color in here because I kind of miss my blue room that we used to have. Our family room used to be this deep, dusty, kind of muted blue-green, and it was so incredibly cozy that I kind of want to do something similar in here. So we'll see. For now, it's bright and fresh, but it might change one day. One thing I want to do in here that I've been meaning to do for a while is actually swap out these curtains. They are a great color, but there's so much of a sheen to them that I don't really love. They also feel a bit heavy, and I want to just make it feel a little bit more cohesive with our sunroom. So our sunroom has those beautiful pre-pleated linen curtains that I love, and I bought 2 more packs so that we could put them in here as well. I feel like that will really help complement each space and just make it feel a little bit more light and airy in here. So these are the exact curtains I used in the sunroom. They're from Amazon, they're super affordable. They come in a pack of 2, so I can do 2 panels on each side to really make it feel full. These curtains right now are also blackout curtains or room darkening curtains, and I just feel like they're a bit heavy, and I want it to feel a little bit breezier in here. I just took the black pleat hooks off of the other curtains, and I'm going to be using them on these curtains as well. You find your pleat and then you turn it over and slide your pleat hook into that seam like that. Now this hook is going to hook right onto your curtain ring. You'll get a really clean look. So I always recommend using pleat hooks like this and using your curtain rings to get the best look out of your curtains. They look a lot less bulky as well. I found that these kind of stuck out from the wall a lot too because they were so thick, and these have a little bit more of a slim look. So it's perfect for spring. Just the little touches around the house make such a big difference. Okay, let's see what a difference this made. We'll move all the furniture back in. Yeah, it just feels so much lighter. Let's move this all back in so we can see what it looks like. Okay, wow, it's crazy what curtains can do. Look how that just softens this wall. It adds some nice texture and it feels way more open and bright. So it filters light and I actually love the way it looks closed. So that's why hinge pleat curtains are the best, because they give you that texture even when the curtains are pulled shut. And that's another reason why I have 2 panels on each side, so it can really fill in that window. But wow, I love how cozy this space is. In the kitchen here, I found some organizers at HomeGoods that I wanted to implement into some of the cupboards and drawers. So specifically, this tea organizer. I like that this kind of looks like a little bread box. It's fully enclosed and it keeps 5 different types of tea all organized. Right now we just have boxes loose in the cupboard, and I really want to clean up the look of that, especially when we're hosting guests and they want to reach into the cupboards. You can find everything super easily if it's organized, so that will be a simple task to do. I like wood organizers like this because you could just leave this out on your countertop and it really adds to the warmth of your kitchen, or you can put it away in a cupboard or drawer. There, that's such a simple difference. It's tidied up this cupboard and made it look super organized. I also found this really good Ziploc and aluminum foil organizer. This can just slide right into the drawer and organize every type of bag we have. Again, we just have a bunch of loose boxes right now, so this will make it a lot easier to find what we're looking for. It just keeps it clean and tidy. And then we're also going to be using this expandable drawer organizer for our utensils. Again, they're loose right now. We haven't done any kitchen organization since we moved in, really. So this will help keep everything in those drawers super organized. Okay, these drawers are always tricky because every drawer is a different size and this doesn't expand all the way over. But maybe if I turn it this way, that would stay in place a bit better. Now upstairs in our guest bedroom, I wanted to add a few more layers to the bed, add a bit more pattern, bring some life into this space. We have some guests coming in a few days, so I just want to get the space ready for them. We have these neutral striped sheets that I wanted to add to the bed. We currently just have a simple white, which I usually like to do in a guest bedroom, but these are still white with a nice little neutral stripe. It's a really pretty quilt that I found at HomeGoods. I've had my eye on it for a while. It's the Rachel Zoe quilt. We're also going to be bringing in our plum tulips and setting them on the nightstand here. I feel like that will just bring a nice fresh touch. And then I wanted to try out these new pillows that I found. These are the Beckham pillows. I've heard so many good things about these. They're from Amazon. Everyone says they're like the best pillows. So we're gonna try them out here in the guest bedroom. They're like an alternative down. I think they're like cubed foam or something like that. Anyways, let's get this sorted. I feel like it's gonna look super cute. Ooh, that's what I keep forgetting to order, a mattress protector. I'm gonna get a mattress protector underneath the sheets here so we can protect this brand new mattress. This has been the nicest mattress. It's like a mix of memory foam and springs, so it's just like a good guest bedroom bed because it's a little bit of both. It's super soft. We always get so many compliments on it. It's like our favorite mattress in the house so far. Ooh, that is really fluffy. Wow. Okay, they say they have to like expand for 24 hours to get fully ready to sleep on, but that's pretty nice. I like to keep different types of pillows on the guest bedroom bed so that people have an option of what they want to sleep on, because everyone does have a preference. I'm someone that really likes a memory foam pillow. I find it to be like really supportive, but this feels like a great, you know, mix of both. So maybe this is the best pillow. I don't know. I think people are right about what they're saying. I'll keep you posted on the pillow review. This is a king size duvet on a queen size bed. I always like to size up for my duvet so we get a lot of overhang. So that's always a good tip if you're trying to make your bed look as full and comfortable as possible. Ooh, I love the pattern on this quilt. It's actually reversible, double-sided, which I appreciate because then no matter what way you fold it, you're still getting a really pretty pattern. Yeah, this looks really cute. I mentioned this in my Nancy Meyers video that adding quilts just makes your home feel so cozy and collected. So no matter where you get your quilts from, they're really gonna add a sweet touch to any bedroom space. I love the look of this layered pattern, and the colors just complement each other so nicely. Now this is a cozy bed for spring. It feels bright and airy enough, but it also has all of the cozy layers that makes you feel like you're staying at a little cottage. I love it. I'm definitely gonna be using more pattern in my bedding because I usually go with pretty solid colors, but now that I see all of these patterns together, it just makes it so much more interesting. Now we're gonna be adding these plum tulips to the nightstand here. All right, so that's it for today's spring decorating and organizing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on ways that you can refresh your space this season. Let me know down below in the comments if you're gonna implement any of these design ideas in your home as well. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!